Hello students, let us start with one interesting reactions in aldehyde ketone carboxylic acid. The name of the reaction is Kaniz-Haro reaction. Kaniz-Haro reaction. This reaction is given by the compound having no alpha hydrogen atom. No alpha hydrogen atom. Or we can say absence of alpha hydrogen atom. The statement is like this. इस रिएक्शन का जो स्टेटमेंट है वो एक इस तरह से है. when two molecules of when two molecules of aldehyde having absence of alpha hydrogen atom in the presence of strong base like KOH, NaOH, etc. disproportionate or undergo self oxidation reduction to give one molecule of alcohol and other salt of acid. This is known as Kaniz-Haro reaction. This is known as which reaction? Kaniz-Haro reaction. So example of Kaniz-Haro reaction is, take the example of HC double bond OH. So there is no alpha hydrogen atom in this case. How it is? Look at here. This is our functional group, and functional group को जो कार्बन एटम डायरेक्टली अटैच होगा, फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज अल्डिहाइडिक ग्रुप, एंड फंक्शनल ग्रुप को जो कार्बन एटम अटैच होगा उसको बोलते हैं अल्फा कार्बन. सो देयर इज नो अल्फा कार्बन एटम, हेंस देयर इज नो अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम. So this compound reacts with another molecule of formaldehyde in the presence of 50% or strong base NaOH or KOH. It gives rise to CH3OH plus HCOONA. So this is alcohol, that is methyl alcohol, and another one is sodium salt of formic acid. So this is your sodium salt of formic acid. So this is known as Kaniz-Haro reaction given by two molecules of formaldehyde having absence of alpha hydrogen atom. Thank you.